Hello guys, good afternoon. Today I'm gonna show you our moving, our packing accomplishment. We are almost more than halfway. So I would like to show you the inside of our house that it's almost empty. So hang on guys. Hi guys, I'm back. So yeah, we're moving. So we found a place to live. It's a condominium. It's only about 5 minutes away from here. So right now we are packing. I'm tired because since Friday, we're doing garage sale. The garage sale went really good. I sold something like $600, almost $600, and not even included today someone is coming to buy my Curio cabinet. That one, he's gonna buy that for $60. I don't want to bring this in our place because our new place is a 2-story, so it's hard to bring that up there. So but anyway, I'm just gonna let this go. So yeah, I am packing at the same time. I was selling the stuff for the garage sale with my sister for 2 days. So and now since the garage sale is over, so I'm gonna have to concentrate pack. So I'm almost done there for packing. Hi guys, there is our living room. As you can see, it's almost empty. The couch here and here is gone, and all of the picture frame is gone on the wall. It's all gone. So our dining table is gone. It's almost empty, guys. So I am tired. What I do is pack. My husband and my sister help me too. So we are just gonna stay here until Wednesday. Our last day here is Thursday. So we just stay here until Wednesday this week. So right here, I will show you our accomplishment for packing. Ta-da! Right here, our bedroom is almost empty too, but I still have few things to put in the box. So right here, but this one, my son's room is still crowded, so a lot of things to sort. Most of these things I have to donate to Goodwill, and some of this, the bed and some of the pillows, blanket, I will keep it, and I'll keep this bed here until Wednesday because we're gonna use this for sleeping. And here's our bathroom that I'm still packing. I'm not done yet, but the drawer of this bathroom is all empty. See guys, oh wow, I did a really good accomplishment today. See guys, all empty. So I still have to clean this here on top of this countertop here. Still a lot of things. And I still have to do our silverware, some plates, glasses, something like that. I'll show you guys this one here. This is all junk. I can't believe this. I've been keeping this for years and years. I just found out that today and yesterday when I start packing that this is junk. I don't need to keep it. It should be thrown this away for a long time. But oh yeah, you will find out when you will see stuff in your packing, the stuff that you don't need it, right? So right here, so we gonna miss this house because we live this house for 10 years. My son Zachary is born on this place. He had a lot of memories of this house. But I am willing to move. I am ready to move to start another new memories. Start another building new memories, guys. So as you can see here in our garage, see, I still have the leftover from our garage sale. That was last Friday and Saturday. That one there on the table, that one there, it needs to be donated to Goodwill or Salvation Army. That one and the TV there, it's old kind TV, but it's in the Philippines. A lot of people can still use this. That's very heavy. That's why I cannot send it out in the LBC box. So here it's beautiful day here in our neighborhood today. But right here. So and yeah, I will show you our basement, guys. It's a big mess too because we are still not done here. Where my husband is also sorting some stuff. We need the things that we don't need and we need. So this stuff here, it goes to trash. Oh, this one guys, I brought this one from the Philippines last vacation last year. I'm kind of feel sad if I'm gonna throw this away, but I don't know what to do with this. This is Parol Star Christmas lantern. So yeah, this is our basement here. It's ready also. It's a mess. Pack. And this sound system here for my husband's collection. He likes to listen music and I do too, but we cannot bring this to our new place and we cannot bring this to the Philippines either. So we have to sell this. My husband has to sell this online through Facebook or in a good deal. So, and this one, all this movie, my husband's collection, that has been keeping this for more than 10 years. I'm gonna keep this and bring this to the Philippines because these are all good movies that I can watch there if we like to watch. Because we don't have work there in the Philippines for we only have to do a retirement life. So, and this TV here we would like to keep. So all of this stuff here, I think donation, come to donate. Because I didn't display that yesterday for the garage sale because we're still using the computer for the internet. So here, the second bathroom, I still have to sort a lot of stuff that I need to let go. So yeah, it's a lot of work for me to do. So alright guys, thank you. That will be it today, and see you for our next vlog. It will be our new place in the condominium. Alright, thank you guys. Bye.